Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got some delightful news for all the fans out there. The ever gorgeous young Yüksel has graced us with a stunning new picture that's taking the internet by storm. Just looking like that. Is not it absolutely beautiful? The color and composition, the sheer joy it brings. It's no wonder fans are over the moon. The comments section is flooded with love and admiration. Hearts, likes, and shares are pouring in from all corners of the globe. It's clear that Yagmur's latest share is not just a photo, it's a celebration of beauty that's brought happiness to so many. And that's what we love to see, positivity spreading a far and wide thanks to one lovely snapshot. That's all for now, folks. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Until next time, keep smiling.